Wilson gets on with it quickly. Etherington. He's really getting the motors running now, Matthew Etherington. Here comes the cross, that's it! BT arriving, BT scoring. Etherington's ball in was an absolute pearler. BT coming in at the back post. But that could actually be an own goal, in fact, from George Elikovic. Wrong from Delap. This is Matt Etherington! Brilliant! It's a fabulous way to bring up your first league goal for the club on the chest, and a fantastic volley, which gave Hennessy no chance at all. Wolves who've not won in the last 4 games. Comes from Milias, and Craddock arriving in the back post. Wolves are back in this. Jody Craddock. Instant impact from Milias with the free kick. Craddock poking it home. Flick on, it's 2-2! Craddock's done it again!